To my channel Maths Made Easy. So let's continue with our topic on multiple angles part 10. So our question is, prove that sec 2 alpha plus 1, sec 4 alpha plus 1, sec 8 alpha plus 1 is equal to tan 8 alpha into cot alpha. Solution: left hand side, we copied left hand side as it is. Thereafter we know sec 2 alpha is 1 over cos 2 alpha, sec 4 alpha is 1 over cos 4 alpha, sec 8 alpha is 1 over cos 8 alpha. So we have done this. Thereafter we must know the formula for cos 2a in terms of tan. We know cos 2a is 1 minus tan square a over 1 plus tan square a. So this formula will apply in cos 2 alpha, in cos 4 alpha and in cos 8 alpha. So on applying this formula, we will get this one for the first case, because it is cos 2 alpha, and cos 2 alpha is 1 minus tan square alpha over 1 plus tan square alpha. Now here is cos 4 alpha. Cos 4 alpha is cos 2 into 2 alpha. Cos 2 into 2 alpha. 2 alpha let's assume as a. So again we can write this as 1 minus tan square 2 alpha over 1 plus tan square 2 alpha. Here is cos 8 alpha. Cos 8 alpha is cos 2 into 4 alpha. Cos 2 into 4 alpha. So let's assume 4 alpha as a. So we can write cos 8 alpha as 1 minus tan square 4 alpha over 1 plus tan square 4 alpha. I hope this is clear. Now before we proceed, we must recall back one concept that we have learned in lower class. We have learned that if we are given a whole over b by c, we can write this as a into c by b, which can be written as ac over b. So here also we have a over b by c. Here also we have a over b by c. Similarly here also a over b by c. So if we apply this concept over here, and over here, what do you think we will get? Of course, instead of this, we can write as 1 plus tan square alpha over 1 minus tan square alpha. Similarly, instead of this, we can write 1 plus tan square 2 alpha over 1 minus tan square 2 alpha. Similarly, instead of this, we can write 1 plus tan square 4 alpha over 1 minus tan square 4 alpha. That is what we can do. So we get 1 plus tan square alpha over 1 minus tan square alpha plus 1. 1 plus tan square 2 alpha over 1 minus tan square 2 alpha plus 1. 1 plus tan square 4 alpha over 1 minus tan square 4 alpha plus 1. After this, what we can do is we can assume 1 below this one. Here also we can assume 1 below this one. Here also we can assume 1 below this one. So if we assume 1 over here, the LCM of 1 and 1 minus tan square alpha is 1 minus tan square alpha. Similarly, we'll take LCM over here and we'll take LCM over here. Then on simplification, we will get this line. I hope this is clear. Now in this line, we can check that here is plus tan square alpha and here is minus tan square alpha, which can be cancelled. Here is plus tan square 2 alpha and minus tan square 2 alpha, which can be cancelled. Here is tan square 4 alpha and minus tan square 4 alpha, which can be cancelled. So ultimately over here we are left with 1 plus 1, that is 2. So 2 over 1 minus tan square alpha. Here 2 over 1 minus tan square 2 alpha. Here 2 over 1 minus tan square 4 alpha. I hope this is clear to you. Now after this, can you suggest me what can be done? Had we had over here tan alpha, had here been tan alpha, then it would have gone in formula. It would have been 2 tan alpha over 1 minus tan square alpha. So we need tan alpha over here. So to get tan alpha, we'll multiply the numerator by tan alpha and divide by same tan alpha. So in next line, what we can do is we will multiply with tan alpha and divide by tan alpha. After this tan alpha will multiply these two. So on multiplying, you will get 2 tan alpha, and outside we will get 1 over tan alpha, and this term as it is, this term as it is. After this, you can check this goes in formula. So what is this formula of? It is the formula of tan 2 alpha. So in its place, we can write tan 2 alpha, and remaining terms same to same. Again, this tan 2 alpha will multiply these two. So upon multiplication, we will get in this bracket 2 tan 2 alpha over 1 minus tan square 2 alpha. This last term as it is, the first term as it is. Again, if you check properly over here, it again goes in formula. Can you guess which formula? Of course, it is again in the form of tan 2a. Isn't that? Tan 2a, because tan 2a is 2 tan a over 1 minus tan square a. Is this clear? So ultimately we can write this as tan 4a, means tan 4 alpha. Am I clear? I have no confusion. Now this tan 4 alpha will multiply these two. So again, upon multiplication, we will get 2 tan 4 alpha over 1 minus tan square 4 alpha. This outer one as it is. So in the next line, you can check again. It goes in formula again of tan 2a. 2 tan a over 1 minus tan square a, which we can write as this 1 by tan alpha is cot alpha, and this will be written as tan 2 into 4 alpha, because it is tan 2a. This is a. So 4 alpha into 2 is 8 alpha. So we can write this as cot alpha into tan 8 alpha, which is equal to right hand side proved. I hope you understood this one. So at last, I request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you.